Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Samsung SmartThings to Matter compatible devices, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Samsung SmartThings to Matter compatible devices, ensure your SmartThings app is updated to the latest version. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Devices section to view your connected devices. Identify the devices you wish to transfer to Matter compatibility. For each device, tap to access its settings. Look for the option labeled Add to Matter or Enable Matter Compatibility. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to initiate. Once you select the Matter option, the app will guide you through the setup. Confirm any permissions the app requests to facilitate the connection. Next, ensure your Matter-compatible devices are powered on and in pairing mode. Return to the SmartThings app after enabling Matter on your devices. Select Add Device within the app to start searching for Matter-compatible devices. The app will display a list of available Matter devices nearby. Select the devices you want to add from the list. Follow the prompts to complete the pairing process for each device. After a successful connection, go back to your Devices section. Verify that the Matter-compatible devices are now listed among your SmartThings devices. Adjust individual settings as needed to suit your preferences. Explore the options within the app to manage your newly connected Matter devices. And that completes the transfer of your Samsung SmartThings to Matter-compatible devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.